Power plants today face a dangerous cycle. Always reacting to the fire in front of you means you're missing the catastrophic failure building behind you. This is the reactive maintenance trap.
If you never get on top of this, in other words, if we're always reacting, I'm always putting out the fire that's in front of me, I'm going to miss the potential forest fire that's behind it.
And when that forest fire hits, the consequences are massive.
You crash a generator, I mean, you're looking at lost generation, you're looking at millions of dollars. And somebody's going to ask you what the contingency plan is. So understanding those are painful situations to be in, and if you put in a system that can prevent that, then that's where you want to be.
There's a better way. Continuous online monitoring transforms how you understand your equipment.
The level we went to with understanding condition of equipment with the new sensors and the online monitoring was a whole nother level.
Start small, prove the value, then scale the solution across your fleet.
Do the financial analysis, like, have you had these problems and what was the failure mode, and could I actually detect that failure mode with these new technologies, and then pilot those and show the organization that there's value.
Duke Energy deployed 33,000 sensors across their fleet and moved from reactive firefighting to predictive prevention. The full webinar shows you exactly how they did it and how you can too.